rotate video files in the terminal. So just a little bit of background. So I have been using this camera for multiple purposes, including this channel, the Ozzoy Bits channel. And I have been recording vertical video in this camera, and my camera does not kind of auto rotate. And so let me show you. It's easier if I show you. Okay. So I have here a direct file from it. So if I just open it, okay, never mind. So this is what we get. It's horizontal. So let's just pause it. I don't have to listen to this video yet because this video was already out in my channel. So it's kind of well, you know, it's like this. The camera does not rotate. It doesn't matter. I wanted to do this without the need of needing to go inside Resolve or any other video editor and just to export the new file. And as I said, ffmpeg has to do this, and it does. So I tinkered a little bit with stuff. And up here, you'll see, and the other video had audio. I just have audio muted. So yeah, so this is what I came up with. You can rotate it counterclockwise, clockwise, 100 degrees, 90 degrees. So I'm going to put this in the description below this thing up here, but I'm just going to show you show it working. So this one, I forget what I put this one here. Oh yeah, this is the same one, just a copy, and this one is the rotated one. So it works, and I'm going to shut up and I'm going to show how it's done. Basically, it's just to copy and paste this. So right now I'm at the same location there. So let me put it just round about here. You can see it, sure. So in my case, I need to rotate it clockwise because the original it's like this. So it's like this, so clockwise, right? I think it's right. So I just need to kind of copy paste this. So I'm going to copy this and go it here. Yeah, that's the one. So here you could just put the star here. You can, if you want to rotate all of them, you just put the star or something like that. It's fine. But in this case, I want to rotate just one. So I'm going to rotate the copy. Okay, the two. And this accepts, if you want to export as MOV, just put MOV in the extension. If you want to export as MP4, just put .mp4. So it's that easy. So let's do this to, and I'm going to call it vertical. And let's call it let's create an MP4 file. So it's that easy. It's going to do some transcoding. Yeah, there's a way I'm going to show you at the end, a way you can try to do this without transcoding and just to change a property in the file. So it did some magic. Doesn't really matter what he did. So we have the file here, and if you double click it, and it's rotated. So it's that easy. Okay, I'm going to put this down below. This is how to rotate clockwise 90 degrees, counterclockwise 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 90 degrees clockwise and flip, rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise and flip, clockwise and flip, and without decoding, you can try this. You can use the FF probe to see file properties. None of these my files have it, but let me do it anyways. So let's put it here. Let's probe any file, really. Let's probe one of the original ones. Okay, so it shows the properties, and you should see the rotate property here somewhere, but my metadata of my files do not have that metadata, so it's not a matter of flipping that value on the metadata, and it gets rotated. Anywho, if your file has that metadata, you just need to do this, and it should rotate without the need of re-encoding. But my files produced at least from this camera, it does not work, but your mileage may vary. So if we see the rotate value there, you can change it to 90 degrees, and the metadata then swaps and should play vertically. But since it takes such a small amount of time, I do usually re-encode it. And I much appreciate to have MP4 files For example, TikTok, if I upload MOV, it just grabs out. If I upload MP4, it's just fine. So this will just, you can input MOVs to MP4s, MP4s to MOVs. So the file format of the input and the output, it doesn't really matter. And then you just run the file. Then you just need to run the thingamajiggy, okay? For example, like this. Just use the according rotation value that you need. And you have a rotated video. And there we go. Because sometimes I just want to upload. I don't need to edit. And look at that beautiful face. Shit. So I don't have. Sometimes I just want to get it from here and upload it from this channel or for my other channels. I don't need to edit them out. So like this, I avoid needing to go to the DaVinci Resolve just to rotate the file and it's just way too time consuming. Like this, I just do it a couple of commands and I'm good to go, and I am able to upload. So I found this very useful to me. Hopefully someone will also find this useful, content creator or not. Let me find here the fade to end. There it is. So if you have any questions, let me know. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment, all of that good stuff. The channel is reaching almost 2.2K subscribers. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for the comments and all the messages and everything you put. Any comment is a good comment, and any comment can help me grow and can help the channel grow and can help anybody to be a better person and and help in Linux. Even the kind of less positive comments that I sometimes get, they can actually push things forward and can be helpful to someone. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment. Happy rotation, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.